Hi everyone, this is Jay with SoundAround. We are checking out the new sound treatment I just installed at Mr. J's Bagels, Market Street in Harrisonburg, Virginia. These panels on the ceiling are 3 foot by 4 foot, so they're pretty big, 12 square feet apiece. It's going to get us to 120 square feet in this area. And as we move back here, I'm going to show you the 2 by 4 and 2 by 5 foot panels covering the ceiling of this conference area. Comes up to 208 square feet. Now ideally we would put some on the walls as well. There are some spaces to swap out art, make those into sound panels, and find a few more spots if we were really trying to take this down. But this is going to help a lot with conversations traveling between spaces and distracting customers with other customers. SoundAround can do this kind of treatment. We also have other options for sound treatments and mobile panels as well. Give us a call.